Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to schedule an email campaign. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So this time we will be using MailChimp. Create an account, log in, and then this time you have to simply create email, tap this one. Now it will show you some options like what kind of email you want to use or how do you want to design your email. So you can just basically choose from any of this. Now, if you tap this with templates, or if you're using templates, or if you want to use these templates, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use their own templates. So if you wanted to use from any of this, then you need to upgrade your plan. So we have to use first the basic layout since we're using the basic version. Now choose from any, for example, this one, tap on apply. Wait for a couple of seconds and here's your email and feel free to edit this. You can add logo. You can just add text, images. All you have to do is to drag this blocks or fields on the left side to the page. So for example, if you want to add this, just drag it to the page. And if you want to delete also, just feel free to delete. There is a delete option or icon. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to drag this up here. You will see this one. You can add image. You can also change the settings, the scale. You can also delete this if you think that this one is unnecessary. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to add something here like my first message. I'm going to delete. I'm going to add. So this one is like a client follow-up email. I'm going to add the logo of my company first. Okay, you can just import it from your computer. And then here you can add another image or you can change this to text if you want to add the body or your message. You can just basically delete this one and then you can change this to text or anything you want. Now I'm going to drag this here and I'm going to add my message. And here is the result. Okay, so once done, you can now preview everything and then you can also delete some elements here that are unnecessary. Tap on save and exit, wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So basically, if you scroll down here, there is this feature that you can schedule this email. However, in some cases, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to use this one. So once you have upgraded your plan, and then you can now schedule your email, and this is what it looks like. So after you have added the date, then it will be automatically sent to your client or to your friend or someone. And that's how easy it is to schedule an email campaign. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.